Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Crawler V5. I've rethought the spring mounts, made the body structure more compact, as well as using many tips from this video. Just a quick heads up, I'm live streaming starting at 5 p.m. AEST January 29th for 1 hour. Here's the list of converted times and countries with my most viewers. Also, only 1 out of every 100 people who watch my videos are subscribed, so it would really make my day if you were one of those 100. So, back to the crawler. The ground clearance is up by 1 stud, so not much going on there. However, it can articulate 10 centimeters on one axle without breaking like it did in footage I haven't shown. But this is all put to waste because the differential gears were slipping again, including the smaller gears inside of the differential housing, as you can see in this clip. It might be able to be fixed with metal gears though. Even when the axle is locked, meaning both wheels spin at the same speed no matter what, it still continues to put stress on the motors, eventually killing the bowies. This is weird because the wheels have a 9-to-1 gear reduction from the bowies motor. However, this doesn't matter as much. What does is the gear reduction from the wheel to the differential, which is 3-to-1 right now in the portal axle hubs. If this reduction is higher, then there's less stress on the parts, meaning it should be able to distribute torque better. These planetary hubs have a ratio of 5.4-to-1, meaning it should put 80% less stress on the parts, while consequently knocking the ground clearance down to 4 studs. But that's going to be for the next video. Thanks so much for 500 subscribers.